Welcome back to See, Hear, Feel. Today I have the great pleasure and honor of speaking with Dr. Pembe Oltulu, who grew up in rural Turkey and is very active on social media. Dr. Pembe Oltulu lives in Konya City, a beautiful green city where apparently the poet Rumi grew up. She overcame economic difficulties and attended Selçuk University Medical Faculty. She did residency at that same university and is currently an associate professor of pathology at Necmettin Erbakan University, Merim Faculty of Medicine in Konya, Turkey. The Twitter name will be in the show notes if you would like to follow that university. She has 4 children. Her eldest son is 19, her eldest daughter is 17, her youngest son is 12, and her youngest daughter is 9. Her husband is also a physician. He's an ophthalmology professor at the same university, Necmettin Erbakan, and he performs corneal transplants. So this is a very busy lady, and I'm very grateful that she's taking the time to spend with me today.
Great to hear you and great to meet you.
Pembe and I have not actually met in person, but we were speaking just a little bit before I started recording, and she was telling me how the power of social media and the power of hashtag Path Twitter is just so great. She has friends and colleagues all around the world, and she's met Jared Gardner and Philip McKee
and many other friends. I love all of my Twitter friends.
So there is a Instapath bio on Pembe, and I can put that in the show notes as well, which I found fascinating because Pembe had a difficult economic situation when she was younger. Someone initially told her father that a girl should not be educated, but her father supported her to get an education. And I was wondering if you could speak a little bit about that.
Yes, in our city, my family situation, economic situation was not good in my childhood. And I just graduated rural schools in Turkey. But I worked hard every time. I break these barriers. In my childhood, my family helped and supported me. And after their support, I continued.
At that time, did many girls not go to school in your area?
In my childhood, some girls didn't go to school, but my father supported me. And my family helped me. My father and mother is great parents. My father loves science and improving. That's why I could continue my education and went to my school.
It sounds like it has changed a lot in Turkey in terms of how girls are treated in education.
Yes. Current days, many girls go to school and many women work.
I also read in your Instapath bio that you worked as a pathology specialist in various state hospitals in Turkey for 9 years because the government in your country did not allow women to wear headscarves at universities.
Yes, I worked 9 years in some government hospitals because in Turkey, many years, women with hijab could not work in government university as an academician. But in 2012, we can work in some governments or hospitals.
Why did they have that rule regarding the hijab, the headscarf?
I don't know, but really very difficult. Really, that was very difficult times.
Reading your bio, it's amazing you overcame economic difficulties, gender-related difficulties, and religious-related difficulties.
Yes.
You did that just through the support you found around yourself and also the strength within yourself?
Yes.
Have you heard of the concept of emotional intelligence?
Yes. I think I have some emotional intelligence. My friends said me, you have emotional intelligence. I don't know it's true.
I think so. I think it's true because I think part of emotional intelligence is being able to focus on a goal and getting there despite the feelings that we might have. I think most of us don't feel good if there's hardship, either from financial reasons or
Yes.
related to our gender or related to our race or related to religion or related to anything else. To continue to persevere towards any goal, whether it's in medicine or another field, we have to have great passion, I think, for whatever it is we want to do, but also have the awareness of what's more important. Someone shaming me or giving me a hard time because I wear a hijab or I'm a woman. I find your story very inspiring.
Thank you. You are so kind.
Do you have advice for other people that are encountering hardship like that related to bias or other things?
Please, just continue in your goals and friendship. Support your friends. We are human. Help each other. Please, love each other. Friendship and humanity is the most important thing in the world.
With everything that you've been through so far in your life, are there lessons? Is there a specific lesson you wish you had learned earlier?
Yes, English language. My education was in rural schools in Turkey, and English education in Turkey, especially in the rural schools, is bad.
Ooh, your English is good. I think your English is very good.
I have a bit dyslexia. I took 2 years English language lesson from a native English teacher, but my listening skills is not very good.
Do you have a way that you optimize making a diagnosis versus sort of avoiding error?
I feel that I am walking in this microscopic area and I'm talking to my patient cells the times. Cancer cells or which cancer cells, which kind of cancer cells. I love dermatopathology cases.
Nice. I like that you're walking around in the microscopic area and you're talking to the cells. I love that. I do that sometimes. I'm looking, I'm like, what are you trying to tell me? What am I missing here?
We pathologists talk to our patients' cells, right?
Do you have anything you would want to say before we end?
I use many times some pathology platforms on social media, Facebook, LinkedIn. I advise to my colleagues that please use these platforms for your pathology improving, your pathology educations to resident and meet in this area. Let's be friends. Learn many things from our professors and experts.
Yes. You're right. I think that Path Twitter and Twitter in general is a democratic way to learn. You have an internet connection. It's true that not everyone has that, but if you do have,
absolutely,
you're lucky to connect all over the world in a way that we didn't used to be able to do. I enjoyed speaking with you, meeting you in this format, meeting your daughter. Thank you for spending the time.
Lovely meeting. Thank you. Great to meet you, Christine.